Everyone says snake plants are just trendy, low-maintenance decor. Ancient Feng Shui masters knew something completely different. If you have a snake plant in your home right now and you don't know where to place it, you're missing its most powerful benefit. And honestly, you might even be blocking its protective energy. In my spiritual plants video that got over 780,000 views, I touched on snake plants briefly, but you guys kept asking for more. So today we're going deep. I'm revealing why snake plants are the ultimate spiritual protection plant, and the 7 benefits that will change how you see this plant forever. Welcome to Green Life Zen, where we simplify sustainable living for busy Americans who want to help the planet without the overwhelm. Every week we break down one simple change you can make today. And today's change? Understanding the ancient power sitting in your living room. Let's do this. First, let's talk about what this plant actually is. The snake plant's real name is Sansevieria trifasciata. Some people call it mother-in-law's tongue because of those sharp, pointed leaves. This plant originates from West Africa, where it's been used for centuries in spiritual protection rituals. The local tribes didn't just grow these plants for decoration, they strategically placed them around homes to ward off evil spirits and negative energy. And here's why. Look at those leaves. Sword-shaped, sharp, pointing upward. In energy work, shape matters a lot. These vertical, blade-like leaves are designed to cut through negative chi and direct protective energy upward and outward. But here's where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Snake plants have a unique characteristic that only a handful of plants possess. They produce oxygen at night through something called cam photosynthesis. Most plants? They photosynthesize during the day and actually consume oxygen at night. But snake plants do the opposite. They're actively purifying your air and producing oxygen while you sleep. Now, what does this mean energetically? It means this plant is providing active protection during your most vulnerable state. When you're unconscious, when your energetic defenses are down, when you're in the dream realm. In Feng Shui, snake plants are classified as yang energy plants. That means masculine, active, protective, warrior energy. Remember in my ZZ plant warning video how I explained that ZZ plants pull energy down with their heavy waxy leaves. Snake plants do the complete opposite. They direct energy upward. They activate. They protect. They guard. But here's the problem I see in 90% of homes. People buy snake plants because they're trendy, because they're low maintenance, because Instagram told them to. They're missing the intentional placement that activates the plant's true spiritual benefits. Your home has energy vulnerabilities, at doors, windows, corners, where negative energy can seep in. Snake plants are spiritual guardians, but only if you know how to activate them. So let me show you the 7 benefits nobody talks about, and exactly how to unlock each one. Benefit number 1. Nighttime air purification equals spiritual cleansing. Here's the science. Cam photosynthesis means your snake plant is producing oxygen at night when 95% of other plants are doing the opposite. NASA's clean air study confirmed snake plants remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and xylene from your air, but they do it while you sleep. Now here's the spiritual layer. In energy work, nighttime is when negative entities, thought forms, and psychic debris are most active. Your conscious mind is offline. Your energetic boundaries are relaxed. A snake plant in your bedroom isn't just cleaning your air, it's cleansing negative energy while you're most vulnerable. Practical application. Place a snake plant in the corner of your bedroom, not directly next to your bed because that's too much yang energy, but in a corner where it can guard the entire space. Ancient traditions called these bedroom guardians for a reason. Benefit number 2. Sword energy creates a protective barrier. Look at these leaves. They're not soft, they're not rounded, they're sharp, they're swords. In Feng Shui, the shape of a plant determines its energetic function. Sword-shaped plants cut through negative chi and deflect ill intentions. This is why snake plants are traditionally placed at entry points, doors, hallways, windows. They create an energetic barrier that negative energy cannot penetrate. What does this protect you from? Jealousy from visitors, gossip and negative talk about you, stagnant energy entering your home, psychic attacks or ill wishes, environmental stress from outside. Your snake plant is literally standing guard. It's a warrior at your threshold. Place it within 3 to 5 feet of your front door with the sharp leaves pointing toward the door. That's the activation key. Benefit number 3, resilience teaching equals mental fortitude. Now here's where snake plants are different from plants like the ZZ plant. ZZ plants survive neglect. They tolerate being ignored. They teach you that neglect is acceptable. Snake plants? They thrive with minimal care. There's a huge difference. Snake plants teach strength through adversity. They show you that you can be low maintenance and powerful. You don't need constant attention to be strong. This is a psychological benefit that's often overlooked. Every time you look at your snake plant, you're getting a subconscious reminder of your own resilience. This plant is perfect for people going through major life transitions. Divorce or breakup. Job loss or career change. Health challenges. Moving to a new city. Recovering from trauma. Your snake plant is showing you, I don't need perfect conditions to be powerful, neither do you. That's not passive survival. That's active strength. And your subconscious absorbs that message every single day. Benefit number 4. Wealth attraction through the wood element. In Feng Shui's 5-element system, snake plants represent the wood element, and wood governs growth, expansion, new beginnings, and prosperity. Look at how this plant grows, straight up, vertical, reaching. That upward growth pattern symbolizes upward mobility in your life and finances. Here's the strategic placement. The southeast corner of your home is your wealth and abundance area according to the Bagua map. Place a snake plant in that southeast corner, and if you really want to amplify it, pair it with a jade plant, which I covered extensively in my video, Top 10 Spiritual Plants to Attract Positive Energy into Your Home. The combination is powerful. Snake plant provides protection for your wealth energy, while jade plant actively attracts it. They work together like a team. I've had people message me saying they placed this combination in their wealth corner and within weeks received unexpected bonuses, new client contracts, or surprise checks in the mail. I'm not saying it's magic. I'm saying when you align your space with intentional energy, opportunities flow more easily. Benefit number 5, EMF protection, the modern spiritual benefit. This is the benefit nobody talks about because it's relatively new. Our ancestors didn't have Wi-Fi routers, smartphones, and computers radiating electromagnetic frequencies 24/7, but we do. And these invisible frequencies create what I call modern energy pollution. Here's where snake plants shine. Those thick water-filled leaves act as natural EMF absorbers. They create a barrier between you and electromagnetic radiation. Strategic placement for EMF protection, next to your Wi-Fi router, near your TV, on your desk next to your computer, near charging stations, in rooms with multiple electronics. From a spiritual perspective, EMF pollution disrupts your energy field, causes anxiety, interferes with sleep, and creates mental fog. A snake plant near your tech devices acts as an energetic shield, absorbing those frequencies before they penetrate your aura. I keep one on my desk right next to my computer. I noticed within a week that my end-of-day headaches disappeared and I felt less drained after long work sessions. Benefit number 6. Sleep enhancement equals dream protection. We already talked about the nighttime oxygen production, but let's go deeper into the sleep and dream benefits. When you sleep, you cycle through different brainwave states, from beta to alpha to theta to delta. During these deeper states, you're more psychically open and vulnerable. Ancient cultures understood this. That's why bedroom guardians, protective plants and talismans, have been used for thousands of years. Snake plants guard against nightmares and night terrors, negative dream entities, psychic intrusions during sleep, restless, interrupted sleep patterns, morning grogginess, and fatigue. But here's the critical placement detail. Do not place your snake plant directly next to your bed. That's too much yang energy and can actually disrupt sleep. Place it in a bedroom corner, at least 4 to 6 feet from your bed. This creates a protective perimeter without overwhelming your sleep space with active energy. I covered this in more detail in my sleep plants video, but snake plants are the most powerful bedroom guardian if you place them correctly. Benefit. Number 7, longevity symbol equals accumulated life force. This is the benefit that takes time to understand, but it's incredibly powerful. Snake plants can live 20 to 25 years or longer with minimal care. They're not annuals that die after one season. They're perennial guardians that grow stronger over time. And here's the spiritual principle. Protective energy accumulates. The longer a snake plant lives in your home, the more powerful its protective field becomes. This is why in many cultures, snake plants are passed down through generations. A grandmother's snake plant that protected her for 30 years carries that accumulated protective energy. I have a snake plant that's been with me for 8 years. It's moved with me through 3 different homes, and I can feel the difference between it and a new snake plant I just bought. The older one has depth. It has presence. It knows me. As your snake plant matures, it produces new shoots, baby plants that emerge from the soil. Each one is an extension of the mother plant's protective energy. You can separate these pups and give them to family members, creating a network of connected guardian plants across your family. I know a woman whose snake plant has protected 3 generations of her family. Her grandmother started it in 1970. Her mother inherited it. Now she has it, and she's already preparing to pass it to her daughter. That's not just a plant. That's a family guardian. That's accumulated life force, protecting the people you love. So those are your 7 benefits, but knowing them isn't enough. You need to activate them. Here's exactly how to activate all 7 benefits we just covered. Step 1. Choose your primary intention. Are you focused on protection, wealth, sleep enhancement, EMF shielding? Different intentions require different optimal placements. Protection, doxa entryway or front door area. Wealth, southeast corner. Sleep, box bedroom corner. EMF, near electronics. Write down your primary intention. Speak it out loud. Get clear. And yes, you can have multiple snake plants for multiple purposes. But start with one intention and one plant. Master that before expanding. Step 2. Cleanse your plant. Before you place your snake plant, you need to remove any stagnant energy it picked up at the store, during shipping, or from previous owners. Take a clean, damp cloth and wipe down each leaf, front and back. This removes dust and energetic residue. Optional but powerful. Pass your plant through sage or Palo Santo smoke. Move the smoke around the entire plant, especially around the base and leaf tips. Then speak your intention directly to the plant. I know this might feel weird, but plants respond to intention and vibration. Say something like, I activate you as my spiritual guardian for protection, or wealth, or sleep, whatever your intention is. Don't just think it. Say it out loud. Your voice carries vibration that the plant absorbs. Step 3. Strategic placement. The best locations for snake plants. Bedroom corners, 4 to 6 feet from bed. Entryways within 3 to 5 feet of front door. Home office near electronics. Southeast corner for wealth activation, where to avoid. Bathrooms, water element drains protective energy. Kitchens, fire element conflicts, with wood element, directly next to your bed. Too much yang energy disrupts sleep. Dark closets, even snake plants need some light. Direction matters. Face the sharp leaves toward energy entry points. If it's at your door, point leaves toward the door. If it's near a window, point leaves toward the window. Height matters too. Keep snake plants on the floor or low shelves. This grounds their protective energy. High shelves weaken the effect. Step 4. Power pairing. Want to amplify your snake plant's power. Pair it with crystals that match your intention. For wealth activation, place citrine crystals around the base of your plant in the southeast corner. For maximum protection, add black tourmaline crystals. This combination creates an impenetrable energetic shield. For abundance, pair your snake plant with a jade plant. I covered this extensively in my money plant video that got 780,000 views. That duo is unstoppable for attracting wealth. Place 3 to 4 small crystals in a circle around the base, or 1 larger crystal directly in front of the plant. Step 5. Seal the intention. The final step is the most important, watering with intention. When you water your snake plant for the first time after activation, visualize your intention flowing into the soil with the water. See protection energy, or wealth energy, or healing energy being absorbed by the roots and traveling up through every leaf. Then touch each leaf tip with your fingertips. This transfers your personal energy signature to the plant, creating a bond between you and your guardian. Say out loud, one final time. This plant guards my space with strength and clarity. So it is. Your snake plant is now activated. The ritual is complete. Okay, Before you run out and buy 10 snake plants, let me give you some real talk. Snake plants are powerful, and powerful doesn't mean more is better. Here's the mistake most people make. They buy snake plants for aesthetics without intention. They place them randomly because they're low maintenance and look cool. They expect instant, dramatic results. Let me tell you the truth. One properly placed, intentionally activated snake plant is worth more than 5 random ones sitting around your house. These plants work slowly. This is protective energy building over weeks and months, not overnight transformations. You'll feel the difference in subtle ways. You sleep more deeply. Arguments in your home decrease. Your thinking becomes clearer. Negative people stop showing up as often. You feel safer in your space. Now, who should not get a snake plant? If you're extremely sensitive to yang energy and need softer, more nurturing energy, try a peace lily instead. If you want fast-growing abundance energy that moves quickly, get a pothos instead. If you're looking for emotional healing and heart-centered energy, peace lily is better for that. Snake plants are guardians. They're warriors. They're protectors. They're not soft and gentle. They're for people who need strong energetic boundaries, protection from negativity, mental fortitude and resilience, grounding warrior energy. If that's you, this is your plant. If you need a gentle, nurturing presence, choose something else. There's no judgment either way. Different plants serve different purposes. Know what you need. Alright, here's your action plan. I want you to actually do this, not just watch and forget. Number 1. Decide your primary intention right now. Protection, wealth, sleep, or EMF shielding. Write it down in the comments or in your journal. Get specific. Number 2. Get your snake plant this week. Don't wait. The waxing moon phase starting November 1st is perfect for inviting protective energy into your space. Timing matters. Number 3. Use the 5-step activation ritual I just gave you. Do it with intention, not just going through the motions. This isn't a houseplant, it's a guardian. Treat it like one. Number 4. Drop a comment right now and tell me, do you already have a snake plant? Where is it placed? What's your primary intention? Protection, wealth, sleep, or EMF? What shifts have you noticed since bringing one home? I read every single comment, and your experiences help this entire community learn. We're all in this together. And if you haven't watched it yet, go watch my ZZ plant warning video, where I explain why ZZ plants do the opposite of what snake plants do. It'll completely change how you see plant energy. Then watch my money plant video, where I show you how to pair snake plants with jade plants for ultimate wealth and protection energy. That combination? Absolutely unstoppable. Next week, I'm revealing the 3 plants you should never put in your bedroom. And one of them will shock you because everyone says it's safe. You need to know this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. We post every single week. Remember, your home is your sanctuary. Every plant is either protecting your energy or leaving you vulnerable. Snake plants are ancient guardians. They've protected humans for thousands of years across multiple continents and cultures. Now it's your turn to activate that protection. Thanks for being part of this conscious living journey. Now go get your guardian. Your space is waiting. See you in the next one.